Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and to those who are new, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you two fun recipes that you can make with your family and your kids using cereals. Now for this recipe I used Shreddies, but you can use any cereals of your choice. It is pretty easy and simple to make. I promise you're not gonna make any mistakes. So you need 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of cream, pour it inside the bag of cereals, and chopped strawberries or any berries that you prefer. Put in yogurt. This recipe is not only easy to make, but also you don't get to wash loads of dishes because you're using a plastic bag. So you need 4 pots of yogurt, any flavor yogurt that you prefer. After pouring the yogurt into my bag, I'm going to start mixing. After making sure that all the flavors are all mixed together, cut the corner of the bag, and use the yogurt pots to pour in the delicious mixture. Now you can use any chocolate that you like. There is really no limit, but I prefer white chocolate and I feel like the combination is great and it tastes delicious. There you go guys. Now what a treat. I like this recipe so much and my family loves it as well. Now stay tuned and watch another trick I'm gonna make using cereals. For the second recipe, I use the same cereals, smash them, put them in a bowl, and mix them with melted butter just to soften them. Pour in your cream and mix all the ingredients together until it is a bit soft. Then you need 2 cups of whipping cream, cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and mix them all up. You want to mix everything until it is nice and thick and not runny. Like the first video when I recycled the yogurt cups, now I'm going to recycle this bottle. You want to cut the side, and you need 2 of this. You need 2 bottles, and then join them together. After making sure that everything is tight, you need to pour in your mixture. Now, as with any other recipes, you can use any type of chocolate that you like, melted chocolate, but I usually prefer chocolate syrup because it is easy to work with. Then add your cream cheese to cover up the chocolate syrup, and also you might want to put sugar. Mix the cream cheese with a little bit of sugar for it to be sweet. There you go, guys. I am so excited with the results. Very nice and delicious. Can't wait to taste it. Like with the other video, you can use any chocolate that you want. I just prefer white chocolate, and my family also prefer white chocolate too. Then decorate it with cereals. I also sprinkled some powdered sugar on top of the strawberries. What a treat, guys, what a treat. Honestly, if you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to watch my previous videos because I have more to show you and more tricks and techniques to show you.